In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a graph with multiple datasets in Google Sheets so you can compare data clearly and visually. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open your Google Sheet and make sure your data is organized in columns. Each dataset should have its own X values and Y values like spend and sales for different regions. Now, highlight all your data including the headers. This ensures Google Sheets understands how everything is connected. Next, go to the top menu, click on Insert and then choose Chart. A chart will appear automatically on your sheet. Now, look at the chart editor on the right side and change the chart type to a scatter chart. This is important because it allows you to compare multiple datasets with independent variables. After that, set up your data series correctly. For the first dataset, assign the X values to one column and the Y values to another. Then add another series and do the same for your second dataset. Make sure each series has the correct X and Y pairing so your graph stays accurate. Now, customize your chart by adding axis titles. Label the horizontal axis and vertical axis based on your data. This makes your graph easier to understand. You can also change colors for each dataset and add a legend so viewers can quickly tell them apart. And that's it. You now have a clean, professional graph with multiple datasets in Google Sheets. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment and subscribe for